Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And guys, welcome. Welcome. Alright, so guys, one of the cool things about these tablets, the A16 11 Gen iPad, is that you can actually use the 3D features here. So if you have a photo, including photos you have taken, wallpapers, you can add the 3D effect to your wallpapers. All right, I'm going to show you to do that in this guide. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to your photos. So make sure you have a photo ready. All right, so here I have a very cool photo, and of course this is a wallpaper I got online. I think I got it from Reddit, and it would make a great wallpaper from the default. All right, so if you tap on any photo, look out for this icon right here, and of course it's going to have the 3D effect. So as you can see, this is a flat photo, but if I tap on it, it will add a 3D effect. So there you go. Now as you can see, it makes the picture pop and the objects look actually like they're floating in space, and it gives this awesome effect. All right, so it will work on stuff. It will as long as there is a foreground and a background picture, it will work to make the photo three-dimensional. All right, so it works on all your photos that you have taken, and especially if there's a separation between the background and the foreground, it's actually a very nice effect, and definitely something that you'd want to check out so you can actually do your photos now. All right, so you see the planet looks like it's actually there, and the debris in space that makes that ring, it actually looks like it's floating there. All right, so it looks way better in person, so go ahead and try that out. So that's the 3D effect on your iPad. All right, so hope that was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.